Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we're decoding the complex options, schedules, and pricing for the GUIST Summer Internship 2026. Gauhati University Institute of Science and Technology has put together an incredibly comprehensive, multidisciplinary summer program. But with all these options, deciding what to take can feel a bit like a giant puzzle. So my goal right now is to break this down for you so you can confidently choose your path, secure your spot, and honestly, just launch your career. Let's get into it.
Here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at your overall Summer 2026 roadmap. Then, dive into Path 1, Flexible Specialized Tracks, Path 2, the Complete Bundle, Path 3, the Biomedical Research Program, and finally, wrap up with a pricing and registration guide.
Section 1. Your Summer 2026 Roadmap, mapping out your internship adventure.
So, Summer 2026 kicks off on June 15th. But before we get totally lost in the weeds of schedules and pricing, you really need to ask yourself a vital question. What are you going to build this summer? Seriously, are you just trying to tick a box for a college requirement, or do you actually want to build real-world, multidisciplinary tech skills? Because GUIST designed this entire program, literally all 150-plus hours of it, around industry-led practical applications, not just theory.
Your adventure really breaks down into three main choices based on duration, focus, and your ultimate goal. You've got the specialized tracks for custom flexibility, the complete bundle for a massive all-in-one full-stack experience, or the research program for a super specialized academic deep dive. Let's figure out exactly what each of these means for you.
Section 2. Path 1. Flexible Specialized Tracks, also known as the a la carte learner.
Okay, let's dive right into this one. If you're the kind of person who wants total control over your schedule and you only want to learn exactly what interests you, Path 1 is absolutely your best bet. It lets you handpick modules from a really impressive menu of tech domains without committing to the full 30-day bundle. You can rapidly build a custom curriculum from domains like AI mastery, robotics and IoT, UI/UX design, bioinformatics, or even photography and LaTeX documentation. And here's a real game changer that makes this incredibly accessible. Literally, all you need to do is bring your laptop. That's it. GIST provides all the required software and applications for these industry-led sessions.
Now, what's really interesting is how your time is actually distributed if you choose this flexible path. You aren't just sitting in a lecture hall all day, right? You'll spend about 20 to 30 hours per main course during the week, usually spread out across 2 to 5 days. Then, you have these quick 10-hour add-on courses. But the real magic? That happens on Saturdays and Sundays. GUIST saves the advanced, hands-on practical activities and collaborative project discussions specifically for the weekend. It's highly focused, interest-based learning.
Moving right along to Section 3, Path 2, the Complete Bundle for the Full-Stack Explorer.
If you are the kind of learner who just wants to go absolutely all in, Path 2 is the INT 211 Complete Bundle. You are looking at a staggering 150-plus hours of guided learning. It's basically a 28-working-day gauntlet where you take all 8 courses, from robotics to AI mastery to UI/UX design, in one massive multidisciplinary package. You're essentially getting a full-stack deep dive across every single domain GUIST is offering this summer.
But here is where the Complete Bundle really separates itself from just taking a few a la carte classes. Crucially, this Complete Bundle actually fulfills your Semester 2 academic requirements by actively including the AICTE-mandated Village Internship. This isn't just some extracurricular afterthought. It's a mandatory credit-earning component focused entirely on identifying local world problems and proposing technology-driven solutions using the exact skills you're learning in the labs.
So you won't just be sitting in a dark room coding all summer. You're going to follow an exact step-by-step methodology out in the real world. You'll start off with a SWOT analysis of local issues, then move into a questionnaire-based need assessment, conduct feasibility analysis, and finally end with a formal final report preparation. You are taking emerging technologies and applying them directly to rural innovation. It's literally an incredible resume builder.
Next up, Section 4, Path 3, Biomedical Research Program, strictly for the deep dive specialist. Shifting gears completely here, Path 3 is exclusively for students from their second year and onwards. This is a rigorous, project-based academic deep dive. You basically have to choose between 2 very distinct, highly exclusive tracks. On one side, you have biomedical instrumentation, which is all about physical hardware, physiological sensors, and medical devices. And take note, this is strictly limited to just 10 seats.
On the flip side, you have biomedical signal and image analysis, which leans heavily into software, AI-assisted healthcare, and computational applications, and that one is limited to 20 seats.
So, you might be wondering, why are these tracks so heavily restricted? Well, what makes this track incredibly valuable is the unprecedented access you get. You're getting direct academic mentorship from Gauhati University Biomedical Research groups. And even better, your project requirements will dictate guest sessions at IIT Gauhati. Plus, you'll get real-world exposure at premier medical institutes like AIMS, GMCH, CRC, and Marwari hospitals. It is, for sure, an incredible networking and research opportunity.
And hey, for those looking to get a serious academic edge on this path, you can actually attach a specialized add-on module dedicated entirely to technical writing and smart learning. This adds about 8 to 10 working days, totaling 40 to 50 hours, where you'll master professional scientific reporting, manuscript writing, LaTeX formatting, and really learn how to leverage modern AI tools for your research and academic workflows. Finally, Section 5, Pricing and Registration Guide, Turning Your Plans into Action. Okay, let's talk numbers and demystify the somewhat layered pricing structure so you can secure your spot. There is actually a brilliant pricing cap built right into this program. Taking one specialized course is 1,000 rupees. 2 courses? That's 1,500 rupees. But if you take 3 or more courses, the price maxes out at a flat 3,000 rupees, which, importantly, is the exact same price as the complete bundle. So if you're planning on taking more than 2 main courses, the complete bundle is by far the best value for your money. Also, keep in mind that optional add-ons, things like bioinformatics, photography, or that massive technical writing module for researchers we just talked about, are incredibly accessible. They're priced to just 500 rupees each as optional extras. Now for the actual logistics. The registration flow is manual, but it's super simple. First, you pick your adventure on their portal. Second, you do a direct bank transfer of your feed to the SBI Guwahati University branch, specifically to the Director GUIST account number listed on their site. Third, and honestly this is the most absolutely crucial step, you must submit your UTR or transaction reference number back onto the blank registration form on the site. Your registration is only confirmed once that payment is verified by their team. As their website clearly states, pick your path and launch your creative career this summer. GUIST is providing the expert mentors, the software, the real-world hospital exposure, and the structured multidisciplinary framework. But the drive to actually show up, engage, and build something meaningful? Yeah, that has to come entirely from you.
So we've covered a lot of ground today. I'll leave you with this final thought to consider before June 15th rolls around. Which path will you choose this summer? Are you going to be the flexible, a la carte learner crafting your own schedule? The all-in full-stack explorer tackling 150 hours of emerging tech, or the deep-dive biomedical specialist solving real healthcare challenges? The choice is entirely yours. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and happy learning.